Okay, we can actually use the answer to a relative atomic mass to do a reverse calculation. So find either the mass of an isotope or the abundance of an isotope. So here's an example. Our old friend chlorine, it's got a relative atomic mass of 35.5. It's got two isotopes. That's quite key that we know the number of isotopes. And we know that chlorine 35 has an abundance of 25%. So from that information, we can work out what is the mass of the other isotope. Now, seeing as it's only got two isotopes, we can just use that equation for AR. And obviously, the mass of the first one is 35, and its abundance is 75%. We don't know what the mass of this one is, so we're going to use algebra at this point and put maybe an X in here. Now, because there's only two, if this one is 75%, then the abundance must add up to 100, so this one must be 25%. And then it's just a matter of working through the calculation. So there is 35 times by 75, x times by 25%. If you work that through, you end up with those figures. So 3,550 equals 2625 plus 25x. So what we need to do now is we need to get the x on its own. So if we subtract 2625 off both sides, then it'll cancel that out there. So I've got my writing. And you'll end up with that. And then if we, at the moment this is 25x, so if we divide both sides by 25, we'll get what x is. And funnily enough, it turns out to be 37. There you go.